SIMmachina Tools tutorial. A coolant tank on a milling machine needs to be refilled. A refractometer measured a concentration of 6.5%. The refractometer factor is 0.9. The current fill level of the tank is 250 mm, with an internal tank length of 800 mm and an internal width of 350 mm. The corner radius of the four tank sides is 10 mm. The tank has a maximum capacity of 100 liters and should be refilled to 90 liters. The required concentration is 8%. Open the coolant liquid calculator window. Select Increase Concentration and Volume from the drop-down menu. First, the current volume of the tank needs to be estimated. Select Calculation using tank internal dimensions and fill under Approximate Actual Quantity Determination Rectangular Tank. Enter the measured parameters. Corner radius 10 mm. Filling level 250 mm. Tank length 800 mm. And tank width 350 mm. Click Determine. The current volume is calculated and displayed in the actual quantity mixture field. Now enter the actual concentration, 6.5%. The target quantity mixture should be 90 liters and the target concentration 8.0%. Now click Calc. Under Results, the amounts of water and coolant concentrate required for a total volume of 90 liters at 8.0% are displayed. Clicking on Report shows the results in the text editor. These can be easily printed and taken directly to the workshop to mix the coolant.